Oh, all right, let's see if I can do this in one take. All right, guys, I'm here getting towards the end of my maker tour, and this is one stop that I'm super excited for. I'm here with Alan, who I think I found you just because you run a torch like a CNC, and you have to check out some of his stuff. We're going to be putting together a fire pit that looks like the globe. I was inspired to do it after I saw your Pentagon fire pits. And so we took that Pentagon design and I put a globe on it, cut it out. Let's just get to it. Alright, so we just got to figure out which way Antarctica points. You got two rednecks in the woods trying to remember what's what. That points at South America. We're good to go.
The easiest way to assemble these kits is to have two people working together. One person's going to hold the plates up at the right angle while the other tacks, and you can alternate passing the torch back and forth to work on different sides of the same piece. Once all 5 plates have been added and tacked in on the bottom, bend each one up to the right angle and add a tack at the top to complete the bottom row.
We're gonna need Alan a little prep course on the ProPulse 200. Ooh, I like it. So we're gonna dial right up to our thickness here. I'm doing tags, so we'll add about an extra volt.
The top row panels go in just like the bottom ones did, tacked into place and then adjusted to fit, but they're easier to do because the angles have already been set by the bottom row.
I cut like almost all the way through, so be real careful. Yeah.
We make some grinder cuts in ocean pieces that need to be bent over onto the adjoining panel. Do those bends with a wrench, and this thing is tacked together.
Ooh. I was part of the ground on that. That felt good. That went through my pinky.
That's why I hate about this wet table, man. Sometimes it'll get you.
Ta-da!
That's it.
There.
Size of weld, and that's it. And
Yep.
it's the feet. Let's flip it back up. Sucker sharp.
Yeah, isn't it? Alan, how long did it take us to put that together? 45 minutes?
Yeah, because we stopped to eat and everything, so it's not taking long at all.
Now we're two highly experienced and very skilled welders, of course. So, I mean, the average Joe probably what, 20 hours, 30 hours?
2 weeks.
Yeah.
Man, that sucker's smooth.
You like the welder?
Mm-hmm. That sucker's smooth.
Yeah.
I like the way it's running.
It just lays down such a nice feed. These two are hilarious. They just run around together.
I know. Now that they stay in that pen together, they stay together all the time.
I call it breakfast over there. Egg and egg.
That's wrong. There's no winning here. We're running in and out of the shed all day as this rain keeps coming down. What are you gonna do? Every day of this trip, every single day, I've seen rain. What drought? Alan hand cut these with an oxy torch. Look at that. It's like it came right off a table. It's absolutely ridiculous, dude. Killing it.
The legs are assembled much like the base was, and it's much easier with 2 people. One holds the plates, the other tacks, and then we weld the whole thing out.
Isn't it ironic? We move everything inside, start working, and of course, rain has stopped.
We should have came in earlier.
I know. We sat around for an hour waiting for it.
I think that sucker's about ready.
There it is, Africa, Asia,
North America, South America.
and the Americas. And we're done. This is Alan from Alan's Welding and Woodworking. Be sure to check Alan's channel out, Magician with the Torch. If you guys like this fire pit, we're both gonna be selling them completed. They can ship anywhere in the country. I'm also gonna be working up a kit that flat packs to you. There'll be information down in the description for that. Be sure to check it out, and we'll catch you on the next one. Thanks.
Yeah, and we'll see y'all later, man. Y'all please like and subscribe.